Hello everyone, welcome on Frogtech Tips. Today I've got a unboxing for Kingston FURY RGB DDR4 RAM. Okay, this is actually kit, 32GB kit. It's twice 16 gigs module. It's really good, as you can see. It's got a clock 1620 and it's got a 3200MHz speed. It's really nice, and it's RGB, and it also costs 70 euro. It's a really good price for this kit, especially for the price. How to open it? I need to find out. Okay, it's just like this. Just slide here, and we open it. Yeah, how it looks like? It looks amazing. Look at that. It's RGB over here. Once you light it up, that will be looks very nice. It's really good quality for the price. DDR4 Beast. Hopefully you like it. I like it. Click like, subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel.